Hello and welcome to Bayline Car Sales. Here we have this fantastic Ford Fiesta ST-3 in arguably the best colour, Ford Performance Blue, and it's got a whole host of factory options which I will go through with you now. As you can see by the car, it's in really nice condition for the age and mileage. It does only come with low mileage and it's been very well cared for over its life as well. This car's got over £4,000 of factory options. Including in that is the opening panoramic sunroof, the Bang & Olufsen premium sound system, which is one of the best sound systems on the market, the all-important ST Performance Pack, which if you're buying any ST, you should really have that, and also the blind spot information system, which allows you to see if there's any cars coming on the inside or the outside of you when you're travelling on the motorway. If you'd like to come and view the car, or if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. We also offer low rate finance, which you can find the finance calculator on our website at baylinecarsales.co.uk, or you can give us a call on 01204 859 459. Thank you.